All life follows one universal rule. We are born, grow old, and eventually die. But one creature defies nature's aging script. This is Leon, a lobster that doesn't age. Their cells have protective caps that don't wear down. Even mighty lions are worn down by time. An old lobster can still win a fight. Scientists found old lobsters weren't weaker. Telomerase enzyme repairs their DNA constantly. Our genetic material frays with each division. They avoid typical diseases of aging. Their armor has a fatal flaw. It cannot grow. To grow, they must escape their skeleton. A failed molt is a death sentence. She can carry up to 100,000 eggs. Less than 1% will survive to adulthood. A lobster grows 600 times its birth size. If we grew like lobsters, we'd be giants. Molting becomes impossible for giants. Their shell becomes a prison of decay. The largest lobster weighed 44 pounds. He was over 100 years old. George was 140 years old in captivity. He was freed, but his time was near. They are entombed by their own success. Nature sets limits for all of us. Even microbes follow life's cycle. Aging is universal across species. The deep sea holds strange exceptions. They start as vulnerable specks. Their life is constant growth. In his prime, he was unstoppable. Time claims every champion. A prime lobster is formidable. Their strength doesn't drop with age. Telomerase acts as molecular mechanic. Without repair, systems fail completely. Lobster cells stay pristine for life. The shell is a dead fortress. They use pressure to break free. After molting, they are soft prey. It's a brief, solitary alliance. She stores sperm for months. She cleans and oxygenates eggs. The ocean shows no mercy to young. Decades later, they become monuments. At such scale, biology would collapse. Failed molts drain vital energy. Disease seeps through shell cracks. He was pulled from the dark deep. His claw was like a child's arm. His fate sparked ethical debate. He returned to natural pressures. Their tools become heavy anchors. This environment shapes their lives. At cellular level, aging is universal. Death is the price of being alive. Human technology only visits briefly. Their dispersal depends on chance. Early years are constant predation. His strength fed the entire pride. His death nourished other beings. They depend on claws for food. Research moves to the open ocean. Growth patterns repeat at all scales. Life resists universal disorder. Life is constant maintenance. New exoskeleton is self-secreted. Molts become resources for others. Each egg is a life container. Even the deep feels weather above. The deep has other longevity champions. Survival math turns unforgiving. He ruled a dark world for a century. His story inspired public empathy. Their death is gradual stopping. All Earth life has same constraints. A story challenging aging understanding. Cell division is growth's foundation. Growth, maturity, senescence are universal. Modern science seeks to learn gently. Hunting instinct exists from day one. They perceive a different world. Individuals die, genetic lines continue. Death fuels new life and ecosystem. They now face human debris threats. Seafloor mud records the past. Nature reuses successful patterns. Aging is cascade of failures. Telomerase provides chromosomal protection. Molting is meticulously prepared. Success brings immediate relief. Their social interactions are brief. Hatching is exodus to danger. Survival needs genes, luck, location. They witness human items sinking. Biology negotiates with physics. Molting biochemistry becomes inefficient. After death, body gives more life. His capture revealed deep-sea secret, from wonder to educational specimen. Public advocacy changed his fate. We glimpsed his post-release life. Respiration systems fail internally. Mysteries are in stars and deep sea. Every life creates ripples affecting all. Lobsters are modern ancient lineage. This is their slow-motion drama stage. Survival requires avoiding hazards. We're just strange creatures to them. Individuals end as communities start. Their intelligence aids lifelong survival. Understanding requires sensing their world. Growth patterns embedded in reality. All complex structures are temporary. This interaction defies aging clock. Ocean patiently reclaims all remains. Reproduction cycle is taxing. Each egg is early development pod. Their survival ties to ocean cycles. After death, they'll fuel food web. Their story reminds us of nature's limits.